Machiegni paw tuke Mathare United osudo machiegni gi duogo e lig mar KPL bang' loyo Vihiga Bullets gonde 2-1 odhiambo ma kawuono. Mathare koro ni thuolo mar 2 tok mar Sugar.
It was a tactical approach second half because of the way the opponent were trying to play second half, because they were here to get a 1 point, which was difficult for them. When we did the 2 substitutions, it was easy for us to score more goals.
It was a good game. First, we knew the team we were coming to face, Mathare United. They are in position 2 in the league, and we are down there. So I knew it was not going to be an easy game. And given that we have never played in this field before, I can say that the way we prepared to come and approach this game worked for us today.
Tim mar adhula mar Kenya Harambee Stars anodhi nyime gi timo ikruok motelo ne dhi e tuke mag laro thuolo mar dhi e World Cup. Captain mar team